Hi, today I'm just going to show you how to replace the Subaru clip-in style idle-up switch that you'll see in a lot of the Subaru WRXs, Liberties, Foresters, that sort of thing. So I've already started to remove this. This is what I classify as a clip-in style of idle-up switch. You cannot buy that switch, you've got to buy a new pump. So we've designed this conversion to do away with this clip-in style and turn it into a circlip style. So we need a scriber and pry in underneath that steel clip, and you'll see that it takes a little bit of effort, but out she comes. And as you can see, that clip-in style thing is now going to become redundant, and what we're going to use is our design, which is our new switch conversion. And our kit comes with a new wiring loom, because the original ones get very hard. And then, so we supply that with the kit. We supply a new switch, an insulation rubber, which goes on the back, a new O-ring, which slits on the outside of the bung. So that's it all installed. Hope you can see that. And a retaining circlip. So to do this conversion, you'll need the scriber and some small internal circlip pliers. I think the tips on these are about a 1.4 mil, just enough to get inside of our little circlip pliers or circlip, so I can pull that in to install it. So now what I'm going to do, I've got, ideally we put a bit of grease or oil around there just to lubricate that seal upon entry of the back of the pump. But for the purpose today is just to show you how to install our kit. So simply O-ring onto the groove. You'll see we've got on the back here our insulation piece, which comes in the kit. If not, you can use the original isolation piece that's on the front of the original pump. If you lose it, you can use that piece which is sitting in the front of that switch. The original switch would be discarded, but in this case I'm using the supplied one. And then we insert it into the back of the pump gently and try and keeping that nice and square, so there's no resistance. A little bit of resistance here, but you want to try and keep that O-ring nice and square so there's nothing pinched. And then we grab our new circlip with our pliers. Oops, a little bit small. It is a bit tight, but this is the best option. And then we install that down inside. It is a bit of a challenge. Just need to be pushed out, and you'll hear it clip in. You heard that clip, hopefully. And then you'll make sure that the clip is in, and you should be able to slide it around a bit. It's not doing it for me because I'm on the video. I might just push that back down. There you go. It's a nice audible clip there. And if you can see that, you can actually rotate that around. A bit hard, but it actually rotates. The circlip actually rotates inside the clip, so that means the circlip is retained correctly. So that is pretty much it. Then this new loom gets pushed onto the end of the switch, and then it's just a matter of replacing your factory plastic isolating connector, which generally sits on the back of the pump like that and gets pushed in, or some just sit naturally. And the easiest way to do that is a really fine scriber. Down inside you'll see there's a little lever. You can actually lift that up and withdraw that out, and then you simply line up the new one with the old one and slide that in and click, and then you've got a brand new wiring loom in the old original holder. And that's it. That's our conversion. So there's a little bit of fiddling around, but far more superior than having to buy a brand new power steering pump just for the switch. Thanks for watching.